Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how to uninstall Visual Studio Code in Windows 10. So let's start! First, search Control Panel at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap Large Icons and then Category. Go to Programs and then select Uninstall a program. Scroll down and then tap on Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Tap on Uninstall and then click Yes. Then press key plus R. Type App Data, click OK. Click Roaming. Go to Code folder and then tap Delete. Open Username folder. Tap App Data. Delete that VS Code folder. And it's done! Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.